And finally, percent increase and decrease. So a percent of change is an increase or decrease given as a percentage of the original value. Percent increase is obviously an amount that will have grown. Percent decrease is an amount that has shrunk. A discount is an amount by which a price is reduced, and markup is an amount by which a cost is increased. First couple of things here will be familiar, we've done them before. Find the percent change and state if it's an increase or decrease. So from 25 to 49, the way we do this is we take the second number, subtract the first number, then divide by the first number. So 49 take away 25 is 24. And 24 divided by 25 is 96%. And this is an increase because we went up. Okay. Really, it's not even second minus first. It's bigger minus smaller divided by first number. So from 50 to 45, we're going to do 50 minus 45, bigger minus smaller, divided by the first number. 50 minus 45, of course, is 5. And 5 divided by 50 is 10%. This is a decrease. Okay. Yeah, when you do 5 divided by 50, you're going to get 0.1. I'm expecting you can change 0.1 to 10% at this point. Find the result when 30 is increased by 20%. Okay, so the first thing I need to know is what's 20% of 30? So step 1, take the number and multiply it by the percentage in decimal form. 30 times 0.2 is 6. Step the second is to take your original number and then add or subtract the number you got from step 1. Since we're increasing, I'm going to add. So 30 increased by 20% is 36. Find the result when 65 is decreased by 80%. Okay. First thing I need to know is what's 80% of 60. So we'll do 65 times 0.8. That is 52. And this time we are decreasing. So we're going to take 65 and subtract 52. And that is 13. Admission to a museum is $8. Students receive a 15% discount. How much is the discount? How much do students pay? 2 questions. So the first question is, how much is the discount? Well, discount is going to be the cost of the ticket times the percentage of the discount. So this is 8 times 0.15. And that is $1.20. $1.20. So how much is the cost? Well, this is a discount, so it comes off of the original price. Students would pay $6.80 to get in. You can see this is just like the problem before it. It's just that instead of saying find the result when 8 is decreased by 15%, we've wrapped it up with words. We've made it fancy. Same thing's going to happen next time. A little different though. Someone used a coupon and paid $7.35 for a pizza that cost $10.50. Find the percent of the discount. Okay. Well, this is kind of doing the other steps backwards. The first thing I need to know is how much did they actually save? So we need to take the original cost and subtract what was paid. So $10.50, take away $7.35, we'll find out that they saved $3.15. Second thing we got to do now, since we're finding the percent, is take that $3.15, the amount of the change, and divide it by the original cost of the pizza. Not what they paid, the original cost. So 3.15 divided by 10.5 is 0.3, which means they had a 30% discount. Caleb buys a necklace at a wholesale cost of 48 bucks. He then marks up the price by $75 and sells the necklaces. What's the amount of the markup? What's the selling price? This is just what is 48 increased by 75%, just wrapped up with a lot of extra words. So step 1, we need to know what 75% of 48 is. So we do 48 times 0.75. That is 36. Step 2, he's marking it up by that amount. He's adding that to it so that he makes money. So what's he going to sell it for? Well, he's going to take what he paid, he's going to add his $36 markup, and he is going to charge $84. Lars purchased the daily planner for $32. The wholesale cost was $25. What was the percent markup? Okay, so first we need to know what the actual markup was. So that's going to be what he paid minus the wholesale cost. The markup was $7. To find the percent, we take that $7 and divide it by the wholesale cost, the 25. And that is 0.28, which means it's a 28% markup.